Hello golden souls. Welcome to Number Gold. Today we're going to talk about angel number 222. The number 222 is made up of 3 times the qualities and energies of the number 2. This makes it a very powerful vibration. Number 222 has the qualities of both the number 2 and the number 22, which is known as the Master Builder number. This number is associated with ancient wisdom, vision, idealism, and change. The number 2 has influences of faith and trust, encouragement, achievement and success, adaptability, diplomacy and cooperation, duality, service and duty, balance and harmony, selflessness, faith and trust, and your divine life purpose and soul mission. Number 222 has to do with balance, making miracles happen, and finding new good chances at the right time. Angel number 222 tells you to be balanced, peaceful, and harmonious in every part of your life. The message is to stay true to your own beliefs and not give up. Angel number 222 tells you that everything will work out for the best in the long run. Don't waste your time and energy on bad things. Instead, know that everything is working out for the best for everyone involved. Angel number 222 also tells you to keep up the good work you're already doing, because your good intentions are starting to come true. Angel number 222 is a sign that you should have faith and trust. Always keep in mind that nothing happens by accident and that everything happens for a reason. Keep a good attitude, and you'll find that everything will work out for the best, and you'll be showered with blessings at the right time. Remember that you have the power to manifest and attract the life you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.